Hello and welcome to the channel. My name is Vijay and I'm a Microsoft MVP. In this video, I'm going to show you how we can manage Office 365 product license for a particular user. Also, previously I have explained in few videos how you can sign up for an Office 365 Enterprise E5 trial, how we can add users, how we can delete users, how we can block users, how we can reset password. So all these links you will get in the description of this particular video. So now let's get started. Let me take a couple of seconds to explain you. If you really want to learn SharePoint, I have few SharePoint training courses for both developers as well as SharePoint site owners. So you can check out these training courses. And now let's open our tenant. So I will open admin.microsoft.com. This will basically open your Microsoft 365 admin center where we can check the users and from there we can manage the license. So I will click on users and you can see here there is active users and you can see here it will show you all the users who is having license to this. So click on a particular user and then if you'll see here there is license and apps is there where we can check it. Apart from that, you can also click on this triple dot and you can see here manage product license. Also you can select and you can see here from the command bar manage product license. So I'll click on that, it will open the same page. And if you'll see here now, this user is having Office 365 E5 license. If you don't want or if you want to remove the license from this particular user, then you can just uncheck this and you can do the save changes. So if you'll see here now the user will not have a Office 365 license, and most importantly that license is available for you as a tenant administrator. You can use that license for other users. Now this is how you can actually disable the license. But if you want to assign license to this particular user again, so the same thing, you can click on that user and you can see here now the user has no license, so that's the reason it is unchecked. So you can just check it, and if you the moment you will check it, it will show you the apps. So if you'll come down, it will show you what are the apps that you want the user to be user to access to. For example, flow for Office 365. If I'll uncheck this, though the user is having Office 365 E5 license, but still the user will not be able to use Office flow for Office 365. So there are various apps are there, you can see here. So you can check and you can uncheck according to your requirement. For example, let's say I don't want to give to do license to this particular user, so I will just uncheck it and then I'll click on save. So this way what will happen is the user will be able to access all other apps except the apps which you have unchecked. So this is how we can manage the license. And if you really like our videos, then subscribe to the YouTube channel. And then this is our website, enjoysharepoint.com and sharepointsky.com. Visit this website, subscribe to our channel, like and comment and share the videos. You will get a lot of video tutorials on SharePoint, Office 365, Power Apps, Azure, Power BI, Flow, those kind of things. And also there are our Twitter handle and LinkedIn and Facebook links are there. Follow those links, and also you will get everything on this comment section. You check out the comment section as well. Thanks and have a nice day.